The PMP exam gives you 230 minutes to answer all 180 questions. That's about 1.2 minutes per question. It's split into 3 sets of 60 questions, with 2 10-minute breaks that don't count toward your time. Here's how it works. The clock starts at 2:30 and counts down. Each section should take about 75 minutes. So when you finish your first 60 questions, the timer should show around 155 minutes left. That's your first checkpoint. Then, after question 120, your second checkpoint. The timer should show roughly 80 minutes left. If you're close to that, you're on track. If you've got a lot less, you're probably spending too much time thinking. Time to speed it up. After question 60, you'll get your first 10-minute break. Take it. Stand up, stretch, grab some water, breathe. You've earned it. Then, after question 120, you'll get another 10-minute break. And trust me, take that one too. You'll need to recharge before the final stretch. Once you submit a section of 60 questions, you can't go back. Each part locks after submission. So review before you click submit, because once it's gone, it's gone. Time hack number 1. Spend less time on easy questions. Knock them out quickly so you can save that extra time for the harder ones. If it's obvious, answer and move on. Don't overthink the easy stuff. Save your brain power for the real battles. Time hack number 2. Don't get stuck on hard questions. Mark them for review, make your best choice, and move on. That 4-hour timer, it'll be the fastest 4 hours of your life. Don't waste 5 minutes debating one question. It's not worth it. When you're practicing mock exams, simulate the exact same setup. 60 questions. Break. 60. Break. 60. You're not just training your brain, you're training your timing muscle. So here's your PMP time map. 230 minutes total. 3 sets of 60. 2 breaks. 2 checkpoints. 155 minutes left after 60, and 80 minutes left after 120. Stay on pace, don't overthink, and move with confidence. Remember, time isn't your enemy. It's your partner if you manage it right. Stay calm, trust your mindset, and you'll cross that finish line strong. Now go crush your PMP exam.